International talks over human rights violations in Diyarbakır Prison. Recent developments concerning Diyarbakır Prison have drawn renewed international attention to alleged human rights abuses that took place between 1980 and 1984. The 78 URIS initiative has publicly disclosed the names of 22 individuals it claims were responsible for acts of torture and ill treatment during that period. As a result, the organization is now preparing for a series of international talks to ensure a proper investigation and to protect the safety of witnesses who have come forward. The case is significant because, for the first time in more than 30 years, an official investigation into the treatment of prisoners in Diyarbakır Prison has been initiated by the Diyarbakır Attorney General's office. Survivors and former detainees who lived through the conditions at the prison have provided testimony, leading to renewed legal and social attention. However, the 78ers initiative has expressed serious concerns for the safety of these witnesses. Since their statements have included specific names, their lives may now be at risk. The organization considers the actions that occurred in the prison to be crimes against humanity and believes that the investigation must be conducted with strong international protection and transparency. To support this effort, the initiative plans to engage in discussions with major international bodies including the International Criminal Court, ICC, the United Nations, UN, Amnesty International, other international human rights organizations. The goal of these talks is to ensure that the investigation is conducted fairly, independently, and in line with international human rights standards. They are also seeking protective measures for witnesses who may face threats or intimidation as a result of their testimony. In addition, the initiative has launched a new legal effort to support those who were imprisoned or convicted based on statements they were forced to give under torture during the 12th of September military coup period. Many of these individuals were convicted of crimes they claim they did not commit. Lawyers and human rights defenders are now preparing to review these cases and seek new trials for the victims. At the same time, former prison officials from that period have reportedly requested personal protection, stating that they fear for their safety as their identities become part of the investigation file. The responsibility of reviewing and responding to these protection requests now lies with the local governor, who will make a decision after a formal security assessment. This developing situation highlights the long-term impact of past human rights violations and the ongoing struggle for justice, accountability, and healing. The outcome of this case may set an important precedent for how historical abuses are handled in both national and international legal systems.